Welcome back to my channel, Steve-O the Window Cleaner. It's been a bit, but tons of new products out. So today we're gonna check out the new Maker Orange Crush soap, and we're also gonna check out the new Maker Products squeegee rubber. First, let's talk about the rubber. I've actually used this quite extensively in the field. I really enjoy it. It's a soft rubber, so you don't need to put much pressure on it. Really good for cooler temperatures, especially in the winter time. Pretty cool case here. If you just want to get a case that's fun for storing squeegee rubber. People have asked a lot of questions about just getting the case alone, so maybe that's what you order it for. But anyways, to unlock it, you just twist it, take it out like this, and boom, there's the squeegee rubbers. They come in 24 packs, as far as 24 pieces. So typical is 12, but this one has 24. If you want to put it in a squeegee channel, I'm going to use it in a Ed-A-Ray brass because we're going to test this and we're going to test the soap. So with this, take the rubber out. This type of rubber is only going to work in every other channel except for Sorbo channels. So round rubber does not work with a Sorbo channel. So you'll want to use these in Ed-A-Ray channels, Unger channels, Pulex channels. All those channels will work. All right, let's talk about the soap. I have not used this soap yet, so this will be my first time using it. It's definitely not as thick as Dawn soap from what I saw. Their recommended application is this product must be diluted at least 1 to 100, which corresponds to 40 milliliters in 4 liters of water, or 100 milliliters in 10 liters of water. I am more of the notion that I am just going to put a good splash of what I typically do with soap. So what I have done here is this is actually a brand new sleeve. I've invested in this video. I bought both of these things. So this is a brand new Ed-A-Ray Pro Plus sleeve, never used. And then I have a bucket here that has not been used for window cleaning in a long time. So let's check this out. So easy flick top here. Got a little squirter nozzle there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna do that for now. I got 2 gallons of water in here. Typically when I have 3 gallons, I'll do an 8 count. So I'm just gonna do that for now. Let's see the sudsy. So obviously, as you can tell, not similar to Dawn at all, as far as you do not get, you know, that blue look of the soap in there before you mix it up. You can't even see it in there anymore. So definitely sudsy, very good suds. I love suds. I don't like solutions without suds. So this is a very good thing. So let's go try it on the glass. So for the heck of it, put on my Maker silencer as well. Kind of work it through the sleeve here a little bit. Not overly sudsy, but sometimes when you first get a brand new sleeve, it won't always suds up, as weird as that sounds, as much as it is like the next day after it gets wet. Microfiber, when you get a sleeve, this is just a side fact, it's really good to wet it and then to use it like the next day. The microfiber will absorb a lot more. I learned that from Kevin from IPC like 5 years ago, and it is true to fact. So let's see how this applies to the glass. This window is pretty clean as well. Typically when a window is very clean, it's gonna suds up a little bit more as well. If it's super dirty, you'll see that dirt separate more. So if you see that on a dirty job, that's why there's like a difference. Oh yeah, great suds. You can tell right away. And the reason I can tell right away is because when you use like glass gleam or something like that, there's no suds at all. Everything starts separating like a honeycomb right away. You don't have a lot of this consistency to it. You have a lot of separation. This window's a little taller than what I would like, but it's perfect. So then the Maker rubber, the nice thing about this I found is there's really no break-in period. So it's soft, so you don't need to use much touch at all. See, as you can hear, you don't hear anything. That is beautiful. That is really nice. That is super nice. Let's run that back, so you guys don't have to see my back of my back skin. Super nice squeegee rubber. Not a lot of break-in. Not a lot of bleeding happening. Boom. Super nice. Really, really nice. I mean, that's pretty much it that you can do as far as with soap. I really love that you don't hear much squeaking sound when you're on the glass at all with it. So honestly, if you want to try a new soap, soap is going to be all personal preference. A lot of people like Dawn soap. Dawn soap is going to be the best price soap that you can use for window cleaning. But, you know, the thing is with Dawn soap is due to their surfactant in it, it clogs the pores in the glass. So it can make the window sticky, of course, but you know, it's window cleaning. Customers aren't really going to notice much. But a couple things, says here on the bottle, extreme cleaning power, getting rid of dirt, residue, and greasy spots have never been easier. Rich and lasting foaming. Foam is great. Works on all glass surfaces. Super glide, extra shine, with a nice scent of California oranges. So, let me smell this. Yes, very nice clean scent. Definitely orange. Very, very nice. So, anyways, that is the Orange Crush. You can pick it up at windowcleaner.com. I know we just got some more stock. We were out of stock for a little bit. But if you have any further questions about it, comment below. But I think this will be a very, very nice soap if you're looking just to try something new. And very competitive price for this. $7.50 for, I think this will be around, let me guess just off the top of my head. It doesn't say it on here, but I would guess 16 ounces. Where, you know, other products out there, I love Crazy Larry soap, but it's very, very expensive. For 16 ounces, it's $24.99. So you can get at least 3 of these for that same price. Nothing knocking them. I've been using their soap for a long time, but this is at a great price and great suds. Super happy with it. I can tell if I like a soap right away. I remember the first day ever that I tried Glass Gleam, not knocking you at all, but it was just hard to work with. I worked with the foamy solution all the time. So if you want a good foamy solution, this will work well. Of course, I can't speak to if it will stay foamy all day long or using it in a restaurant to get rid of fingerprints, but heck, I'm sure it would. Richie Blue has really gone quite far with making a bunch of different window cleaning products, and I know he won't release anything if it's not a quality product. So if you got any questions, comment below. Also, you can always purchase this from me at windowcleaner.com. You can contact me at 970-599-1437 or email me, steve@windowcleaningresource.com. Hope you all have a good one. Spring is just around the corner. We'll talk soon. Peace. Bye.